down for your consumption into provinces, male, females per province, and total voters. I'll just take as an example, Bulawayo Metropolitan has 138,000 females and 120,000 males, and Mashonaland West has 331,000 females and 323,000 males. So that will be part of the brief which you can actually have access to at the end of this process. With regards to this week's activities, we would like to report that we have recruited about 130,000 officers required for the polling exercise. The Commission has already recruited 210 constituency election officers and their deputies, and their training was conducted from 2 to 4 July 2018, and these have already been deployed into the field. An additional 1,958 ward election officers and their deputies have been recruited, and they will be trained between 16 and 18 July 2018. The recruitment of 10,985 presiding officers will be finalized end of this week, while that of polling officers will be concluded on 20 July 2018. The recruitment of the electoral staff is done in terms of Section 10 of the Electoral Act, which directs weZEC to recruit from the Public Service Commission, parastatals, local authorities, and the Health Services Board. It is important to note that in order to allow those on electoral duties to vote on polling day, the Commission has facilitated postal votes for some, while others will be deployed in areas